I'm artist Otto Rigan. A new organization in town, Sculpture Tucson, has birthed a program where they are trying to expose local talent to the community. They have since been making arrangements for places in the community to set sculptures such as this one. This particular piece was placed in front of the Great Western Bank in central Tucson. I love the idea, that this sculpture has an audience of its own community.
Hi, this is Mike Adams, Group President, Great Western Bank. We're making life great every day. One of our causes we're supporting is Sculpture Tucson. Stop by our office on the corner of Campbell and Blackledge to see the most recent sculpture.